Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to use the predefined sound profiles on the following car. So at the very beginning, of course, you need to start by using the music section right here, by using this button. Then from the down menu, let's choose options. From options, all you need to do is select audio settings. Let me do it. And then you've got access to the equalizer. You can change the bass, medium, trebles, but you can also use here this button right here. And here you've got the preset of equalizer settings. So this menu offers predefined sound profiles designed for specific kind of music. Selecting one will automatically move the sliders on the main screen to the ideal position for that style. So you've got the user. You can use the user and adjust the bass, medium and trebles by yourself, but you can also change to the, for example, jazz blues. This is balanced for acoustic instruments and smooth vocals. You can use here the techno, so typically boost the bass and trebles for electronic music. You can also select the classical. This one focus on a clean, neutral balance for orchestral music. You can select pop rock, usually boost the high and low ends to make the music sound more energetic. You can also select the vocal, so it's usually focused on the medium range to make speech like podcast or news much clearer. So let's choose one of them. In my case, let me choose jazz blues, and you can use this style. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.